5 cheap decorating ideas for rental apartment. 1. Choose the right temporary wallpaper. The very first thing you need to mind when decorating a rental apartment is the temporary wallpaper. If you want to have colorful and tidy rental apartment but do not have enough allowance to paint all wall, you can just use temporary wallpaper. It has various designs of colors as well as patterns. You can pick the one you like the most. Moreover, installing or remove it is just a piece of cake. 2. Mind the mirrors you will use. In all apartments, people will hang at least one mirror there. If you want to decorate your apartment, you can make use of it actually. How is it possible? Mirrors are a great way you can do if you want to enhance space. It can also be a trick if you want to show that your apartment is bigger than its actual size. Therefore, never worry to place a mirror in your room. 3. A simple pegboard for artsy look. The next idea to decorate your rental apartment is by using pegboard. It has great function, yet serves great function. You can have your old pans or even pots here. The look will be so pretty and artsy when you display them on a beautiful pop of pegboard. Pegboard is like a snap to hang. Moreover, you will not find it too difficult when you want to remove it. It comes down easily. 4. The secret of door handles and door knobs. Well, if you want her to have a new and refreshing look start from when you or other people are going to enter your rental apartment, you do need to decorate all from the door. Instead, you can just give a little artsy touch to the door handles or even the door knobs. Just pick the one which match your style, then install it. The installation is not so hard to do alone. 5. Pick the right chandelier. If now you are using dirty light, which filled with bug, it is time to redecorate your rental apartment. For an option, you can choose artsy and elegant chandelier as a replacement. The look of it in your ceiling will definitely bring fresh view to your apartment. If you are a handy person, you can do it by yourself. However, you can ask other people's help if you are not confident enough.